What's up guys, it's Matt back with some tech news. So with all these new foldable tablets and foldable phones, so it looks like Motorola is going to be jumping in, and they seem to have confirmed their new Motorola RAZR foldable phone. So Engadget did do an interview, and they said it would not feature a full-size screen on the outside of the device like we've seen with the Galaxy Fold and Mate X, recent patent that they just did. So Engadget did do an interview, and they were quoted saying that the design would not feature a full screen on the outside of the device like we've seen with the Galaxy Fold and the Mate X, and a recent patent that they did has a mechanism of a folding phone that's more horizontal, like the Motorola RAZR flip phone concept that we've been seeing on the web. So Motorola did say that they were exploring different takes on a foldable screen as well, including a singular screen that would fold twice. The intent is to minimize potential scratch related defects. What they're talking about is using pretty much a plastic OLED on the device to pretty much minimize scratching. So what do you guys think of a Motorola flip phone? I think it would be pretty cool, pretty nostalgic. So let me know in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.